Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Audrey's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making an easy recipe, tuna salad. So let's get started right into it. Today you're going to need, for an average sized bowl of tuna, I have 4 cans of tuna. I took it out of the can and I've been just separating the flakes, breaking down all the big chunks. You don't want any chunks. Well, in my recipe. I mean, if you like tuna chunks in your salad, then by all means leave the chunks. But for my recipe, I like you to break it all down. Just take your time and really get in there. Okay, so that's 4 cans. All right. Then we're going to be needing mayonnaise, an onion. I like red onion in my tuna. You can use any onion you like. A stalk of celery, some onion powder, and I have 2 secret ingredients that I always put in my tuna salad. And I'll show you them later when I'm making the salad. So let's get started. We're going to have half a red onion. This is a big onion. Okay. All right. So half an onion. That up, and 1 stalk of celery, this tuna salad is a favorite of everyone's. If you don't like tuna salad, this salad you will like. This will make people like tuna salad. Dice this up. I love working with the scraper. It just makes things so much easier. Okay, so that's all the chopping you're going to do for this salad. So we're going to mix it up. Now this tuna salad always, to me, tastes better the next day because everything has had time to marry and just everything combined nicely. Okay, so here we're going to add a tablespoon of onion powder. You're going to do it by eye. Now, as far as mayonnaise, it is tuna salad. Now, for every can, I normally put a heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise. So I have 4 cans, but I'm going to start off half with 2, heaping. 1, 2, heaping. Okay. Just going to mix that in. Now we're going to do another 2. 1, 2. Now it should be enough, like I said, 4 cans, 1 tablespoon per can. So it seems to be doing good. I like it a little wet, not too wet, but not dry. Okay, so now what makes this taste like really good tuna salad is we're going to put half a teaspoon of salt. This is going to bring out all the flavors. And then to this, we're going to add a teaspoon of sugar. I have brown sugar. You can use white sugar. You can use any sugar you want. 1 tablespoon. Now what this sugar is going to do is it's going to take out all the fishy taste, and it's just going to make your tuna salad taste absolutely amazing. So that's the big secret. Not many people know that to add a little salt, a little sugar will take out all that fishy taste and just make your tuna salad taste wonderful. And I would let it rest in the refrigerator for a few hours. The best would be overnight. And when you take it out, you're going to remix it. Always remix your tuna salad because the water from the celery and the onions, it comes out. So you just want to reincorporate it back into your tuna salad. I've made this for thousands of people. I've had people who didn't like tuna come to love tuna. But not many friends ask me for the recipe. They would normally just hand me a couple of cans of tuna and have a big smile on their face in hopes I'd make them a batch, which I always did. Okay, and there we have it. The easiest homemade tuna salad. I seriously hope you enjoy this salad. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.